Oh, I'm recording. Oh, there's Luna. Luna, Cher, and Lupo. There
And
they
we all just
are.
woke up.
And they all just woke up and came outside for a breath of fresh air. Yeah. There they are. Come on, little pups. Oh, come see Grandma. Come on. Oh, you're going way too fast for me. Hey. There you go. That's Lupo. And, whoa, Lupo, where'd you go, Luna? Luna?
Luna, Luna.
Luna.
Luna,
Look at
Luna.
Grandma. Hello, darling. Oh, are you saying good morning? You tell Mommy, it's too cold out here in Edmonton. You gonna go pee-pees outside? Yeah, like you did yesterday? Good puppies. Oh, yeah. Luna. Luna. What, darling?
I think the stamp grass is way colder.
Okay, how do I shut it off? Just press the button.